Hey everybody, thank you guys for tuning in again today. Today's video is going to be a haul from L3 Waxy Wonders. This is the first time that I have placed an order from L3. I think I might have back in the day, and feel free to correct me, but the packaging just looks so familiar to me that I feel like I might have gotten some of this in like D-stashes back in the day. So yeah, feel free to be like, no, Kristen, they're pretty new. When I say back in the day, like back when I was ordering from the bathing garden, last time I was really into vendor wax, 2014, 2015 time frame. So may or may not have tried L3 before, but definitely haven't ordered from them directly. So when I saw this restock, I've seen them in so many people's videos. I knew I had to try it, and really liked the scents that were available on this restock. So I ordered, not hundreds of dollars of stuff, but I ordered, I think for me at least, a decent amount of products. So I'll go ahead and dive in and show you guys what I picked up. I've been through all of these already and kind of built my first impressions on all of the wax, but excited with Bathing Garden. When I smelled it again today, some of it had a little bit of a different tone. So maybe we'll get some of that with this. But the first thing here that I've got is a Scoopable wax in strawberry vanilla buttercream cupcake zucchini bread. I have, as I was going through my collection, kind of like packing stuff up, I really don't have a lot of bakery. And bakery used to be like my all-time favorite scent family. I always had bakery stuff going. And it's kind of shifted over the last several years more into like kind of the fresh, citrusy, fruity over the last few years. But when I saw that, this combination of the strawberry with the bakery, and I used to be just like head over heels for zucchini bread. And I really like this Scoopable. So I'm glad that I picked this one up. Definitely pick up on the buttercream, pick up on the strawberry. There might be a little bit of kind of that heartiness, that spiciness of the zucchini bread, but there's not tons of that here. It is mostly just like a freshly baked strawberry cake scent, which is, it's really nice. I like that one. Glad I picked that one up. Here, kind of on that, I'm more into like the fresh scents. This one here, a little naughty. This is sea kelp, cotton candy, and Greek island breeze. And y'all, this smells so good. If you like those beachy type scents, it's not a lot of, again, apologize about my nails. It's not a lot of like fruit, but because there is no fruit, I don't think, in this scent, but it has definitely that beachiness and kind of that tropical type scent. The other one that I picked up in that same vein was Salty Sea Air, and y'all, this is it. A lot of these Salty Sea Air scents are a little heavy, I think, on like an ozone type of note. This one, I don't get that at all, and I get the salt, which is what I love about a good Salty Sea Air fragrance. I picked up one more Scoopable, and this one is in Lavender Mallow Boardwalk Mallow Clouds. I love lavender. I love marshmallow, and I had not ever tried Boardwalk Mallow Clouds. So I got this one. It's got a little bit, to me at least, on cold of like a perfumey note, but I think it'll be really, really nice in our bedroom, which is what I ordered it for. So those are the Scoopables that I got. Here I've got 3 of these. Oh gosh, what does she call them? Cloud bars, I think. The first one is Hawaiian Tropic Hawaiian Blast. I had a request after melting suntan from my husband to get more like sunscreen type scents. He loved suntan. So I picked this one up. It's got that Hawaiian tropic note in it. To me, it definitely smells like sunscreen. But the Hawaiian Blast brings in a little bit of fruitiness too. I think he will really like this. It's not my favorite by any means, but I think he will really like it. So picked this one up for my husband. These others I got for me, key lime margarita. I love lime. And this, it's definitely like a margarita scent, but it's got the key lime. It's a little sharp. I really like it. It's, you know, a sort of unique approach to that liminess. If you've had key limes before in particular, that's sort of what they're known for, being a little bit more of that sharp note. So this really good. This will be a hit, you know, not just with me, but I think with Dan as well. And then finally, beach glass and pink sugar crystals. You know, it's been, what did I say, 2014, 2015. So it's probably been 5 years since I last tried pink sugar. I was not a huge fan of it then, but I really liked this blend. And that was kind of what I was thinking, like something a little sweet, maybe a little perfumey to add in with that more beachy, fresh note. And it works really well. This is really, really nice. A great, great combination there. Those are all of the, what are they called? Cloud bars that I got. And then I got this little, what's this called? Puppy pack, right? I think. Let me look at my thing. Puppy pack, yes. So this is in beach sage, mint, Hawaiian sandalwood, pink chiffon. And this was one that I was thinking of, that I ordered in particular for the bedroom. Thinking about not a dupe for Pacific Sandalwood, but a replacement for Pacific Sandalwood from Scentsy. My favorite bedroom scent probably ever, because it has those herbal notes, the beach sage and the mint. It's not really kind of that, it's really not a mild scent. So I probably will still melt it in my bedroom, but it's not as mild and like creamy and sort of like cozy smelling as Pacific Sandalwood is. I do really like it, but they are definitely two very different fragrances. And I got a couple loaves. And y'all, it's been so long since I had loaves that I realized I don't have any cutters. So these will get some good time to cure while I wait to get some loaf cutters. And I'm trying to move some of this other stuff out of the way here real quickly. Okay, so like I said, been so long since I've had loaves that I don't have cutters for them anymore. And you know, so I've got to order a slicer, but really, really excited about both of these. This first one is zucchini bread butter brickle vanilla bean Noel. I really love vanilla bean Noel. And as I mentioned before, I like zucchini bread a lot too. And I wanted to get some more bakery type scents. So this is, I mean, this smells so good, and it just takes me right back to like a lot of those other vendor waxes that I've had in the past of zucchini bread, of butter brickle. Really, really great. Will be good on its own as well as mixed with things. And that was really what I was kind of like looking for from the bakery. Sometimes I've got like a really sweet, like fruity, but I want to, you know, warm it up a little bit with some bakery. So this is going to be good, like I said, on its own or in a mix. And then here, it was my other, what's it called? Loaf that I ordered. And this one's rosemary mint boardwalk mallow clouds. I mentioned in my bathing garden video just how much I love those Aveda scents. And this rosemary mint is so good. Oh my gosh, I would just get like plain rosemary mint here too. This is a delight. This is definitely a repurchase. Like I haven't even, obviously I haven't melted it yet, haven't even cut it up, but that one is just so good. So definitely very, very excited to try that. And then I did get a couple samples here because I didn't get, like 80 like I did with bathing garden. I'll show you guys what samples I got. Sorry for that noise. Here, this first one is in Downy Blue. It smells like fabric softener. Really nice, clean, fresh scent. This one here, a tiny scent shot in Cookie Therapy. Not really picking up much on this, but it does have a little, like, I can smell the sweetness. I can't really pick up, bakery or cookie even in particular. And then the last one here that I have is, what is that? Oh, it's a treble clef. Boardwalk Mellow Clouds with Santa's on Keto. Santa's on Keto was one that I was looking for, but I didn't see. I'm sure that it was in there, but I just kind of missed it. This one smells really good. It reminds me of the loaf that I have here too. And those were the samples that I got to try. Always love getting samples from these vendors to help me test out some more fragrances and see what all I like the most from their offerings. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye.